Hello YouTube, my name is Frank Filimajailer and my channel is FFM Ideal Designs. My first video is gonna kind of touch up on 3D build plate protection. So I've got a heated 3D build plate, it's about a 12 by 12. And what I do to protect it is I use just regular old blue painter's tape. This is 1.88 inches, like the biggest one they sell. And all I really do is I tape up the build plate. Now the JG Maker comes like this, and after a while you will completely mutilate your build surface. And so after about 3 months of destroying my building surface, and it became very difficult to level it, and it was a disaster. You'll see how bad it gets in my videos because, you know, I don't do it for every print. You know, I move the prints around the build plate, and once I've made a big enough mess and ripped up enough tape, then I just completely refurbish it just like this. So yes, as you can see from the wiring on my 3D printer, that this is not brand new out of the box. This is something that I did. And what I want to show you kind of is, you know, if you're able to use one of these knives, if not, please get a parent to help you. I actually started off by getting a flat edge to remove it that I bought at my local Home Depot. And I took the flat edge and I put it as close to the edge as possible. And then I just cut straight down and then actually push the razor blade back up and then cut it down again, getting as close as I could to the edge of this build plate. And doing that on all 4 sides, just like this, on all 4 sides as close as I can. And then I actually chopped it as close as I could to the top here. Not really all the way around, just on the back of it and the front of it. And then that allowed the painter's tape to come off a lot easier. I didn't do anything special. I didn't acetone the surface or alcohol the surface or make the surface special in any way. I just sort of smoothed over the new tape here. So yeah, I hope that this video was informational or helpful to you folks. And I look forward to seeing you in my next videos. As always with all YouTube videos, you know, the YouTube likes to see that the users actually like the videos they're watching. So go ahead and like it and subscribe, and I hope to have a fresh video out every week. So yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'm sorry I didn't actually get to make a video here. I just sort of did this on a whim, and right when I completed it, I said to myself, boy, that would make a great video. And so yeah, and there you go. So we can pretend that I did it all, and there was a whole bunch of fast video playing and some cool music, and then we can cut to the end where I say, and that's how you resurface your 3D printer build plate. All right, well, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.